Okay, hey guys, it's Tegan, and today I am going to show you how to make a book for your doll. Um, so I'm using a different camera, so don't be weirded out if there's any background noises or anything. And I just spit actually. So what you're gonna need is a piece of paper right here, and you are also gonna need scissors. So these are the two things, and then if you want to write a writing utensil, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your piece of paper and then you're gonna fold it like this, and then if you want, no, fold it hot dog, and then another hot dog again, and if you have another, like a different like width or length, just do the same thing. Fold it like this. So fold it once so you'll have at the end, you'll have 4 halves right here, and you do not want to cut this side, because if you cut on this side has the open side, which will make your book be terrible and bad. So you want to do it on this side, the folded side, where we folded. So what else you want to do is you want to take this, see this flap right here, you want to take it, unfold it, and then on the side that's open, the side that we just unfolded, the side that you do not want to cut on that side, you want to cut on the folded side. So where you want to stop cutting is on that fold right there. So just like that. See, my fold is like right there, and I just cut right to there, as you can tell. And then you want to open it, and see how it kind of resembles like a mouth, like that. You want to take it, see how it's like that, and it doesn't seem to work. You want to take it and go like this, as if you were like doing a thing, and then you go like that, and then you fold these two sides. So you want to have it be like that, like as in a cross. Okay. So like this, like a cross. And how you take these two is you go like that. So I'll show you again. Like that. And then what you want to do to each of these two sides is you want to fold it. And it's okay if it goes like this. This is okay. You just want to put it back together. So like if yours is like this and then you're like, I messed up, throw it out. You want to go like this. You want to add wings to your character, and then you want to close your character up like so. And then that means you have a 4-page book. I know it doesn't look perfect, but for like a 4-page book, it looks good. So here is all the pages in their somewhat wonderful glory. Some are like that, but if like you're doing this and these 2 pages look good, but these 2 don't. So if you want to add some like flair or something, if you're wondering why I'm reaching over there, is that I'm grabbing a stamp. You can put like stamps from like where you've been, or like what different different stamps. So that's fun. Yeah. And you can also write like, sorry, more background, like that.